Remember the night that we met, back at the party, you sat on the bed. You said I'm talented, you said I'm next. My only talent is making you stressed. I know that I'm doing my best. Lately I'm feeling like less. I hope that I see you again. If I don't, then I'll lay it the best. It's crazy how it goes, left me all alone. I've been trying to move on, all I find a hope. Searching for a particle, don't know if I'll ever know how she left me with no damn place to go. I'm okay, I'll be fine. I'm just out of my mind. Long nights with no sleep, thinking about you and me. I'm okay, I'll be fine. I'm just out of my mind. Long nights with no sleep, thinking about you and me. It's been 5 months at your crib, and I ain't paying no rent. We should have just been friends, cause I know that you never meant all the things that you said to me. Froze my heart in uncertainty. Go ahead, hit the club song, make sure that you drunk as fuck.
Ardına kadar like basıp git bro. Kommentarer yaz.